Good day all. I am student that taking engineering management and acting in this semester. Today I want to present my presentation slide of title The Impact of Emerging Technology on Engineering Practice and Society. My name is Lin Jian Guang. The impact of emerging technologies on engineering practice and society. Emerging technologies like artificial intelligence (AI) and smart rigid are transforming engineering by improving efficiency, automation, and decision making. AI is revolutionizing industries such as healthcare, financial, manufacturing. Smart grid enhance energy management, sustainability, and reliability. However, this advancement also introduce ethic concern, legal compliance challenge, and resource management issue. This report critically analyzes these challenges, referencing relevant status, ethics standard, and engineering principles, and propose well-justified strategy for responsible and sustainable technology adoption. Now we come to ethical concerns, bias and transparency in AI. Nowadays, bias in AI decision making are very famous. AI systems are increasingly used in critical decision making across sectors like healthcare, criminal justice, and finance. However, this system can perpetuate existing bias if not carefully designed. Example, facial recognition technologies, for example, have shown higher error rates for people of color. The next will be Amazon's AI hiring algorithm. Amazon scrapped its AI-driven hiring system due to discrimination against female candidates. The system trained on male-dominated historical data downgraded resume contained the words of women. This highlighted AI's lack of transparency and potential to reinforce gender discrimination. Now we come to ethical standards and principles for AI. We have IEEE Global Initiative. It provides a framework for ethical AI development, emphasizing transparency, accountability, and fairness. And next will be Solomon AI principle. It advocates for AI development that benefit humanity and avoid harmful biases. Next will be Compass algorithm. The Compass risk assessment algorithm incorrectly classified black defendants as high risk at twice the rate of white defendants. Come to legal compliance. Cybersecurity threats in smart grids. We have cybersecurity vulnerabilities. It was talked about smart grids, managing electricity supply and demand where digital technology are vulnerable to cybersecurity threats. And next will be NERC CIP standard, the Northern America Electric Reliability Corporation, and critical infrastructure protection standard to provide a regulatory framework of secreting the bug the bulk of electric system. And another will be the General Data Protection Regulation. Short form is GDPR in the EU process strict data protection requirement for relevant data. This is important for human. Come to resource management, sustainable engineering principles. First, efficiency resource use. Sustainable engineering principles advocate for efficiency, resource use, and minimizing environment impact. Second, life cycle assessment. Life cycle assessment evaluated the environmental impact for technology from cradle to grave. The third will be energy consumption. Training a single model can emit as much carbon as 5 automotive cycle lifetime will be produced. So is it worth to be that? Whole strategy, ethical AI development, bias detection, implement techniques for detecting and mitigating bias in AI system. So this is how it will be worked, how it can be worked. And then second is we propose the strategy is transparency. Ensure AI system are transparent and auditable. Third will be accountability. Establish accountability framework for AI when doing decision making. Proposed strategy, cybersecurity and resource management. Multi-layer security. Implement a multi-layer security approach for smart grids, including physical, network, and application security. Regular security audit and compliance check are essential to adhere to legal standards like NERC, CIP, and just now that we had talked about is GDPR. These two of standard. Come to sustainable AI practice, we will promote energy efficiency AI algorithm and hardware. Invest in renewable energy source such as solar, wind to power data center. Implement life cycle assessment to evaluate the environmental impact of emerging technologies. Come to conclusion for this report. To balancing innovation and responsibility, emerging technologies like AI and smart grids offer significant potential for innovation but also present sustainable challenge in terms of ethics, safety, and resource management. By adhering to relevant status, ethics standard, and engineering principle, and by implementing the proposed strategy, it is possible to integrate this technology responsibility. This approach will not only mitigate the risks associated with this technology but also ensure there are contribution to the society, balancing innovation, sustainability, and ethical accountability for long-term benefit. Thank you all. This is my presentation for this title. Thank you.